Okay, so what the hell happened to my thumbnail? That's not what I made my thumbnail. Hey, I didn't like my own game. You're lying. Well, 2 other people liked it, so that's good. So, as you know, this is my game, Diamond. My masterpiece, of course. Don't mind that disturbing thing. Yep, this is the game. I have admin also. Ha, losers. We do flip. We. Oh, okay. Okay, so this isn't the point of the video. I was just, I came across this. I was confused. So, let's do this. Oh, excuse me. That was not very YouTuber friendly of me, was it? Okay, what is, oh gosh, the game's scary. What is on the, this, my friend Extra, you know, you probably know who I'm talking about, people who watch this channel a lot. Yeah, he loves Bitcoin miner. Personally, I don't get it. It just seems like a waste of time, but, I mean, whatever floats your boat. No. Today, we are going to, let's play Murder Mystery 2, because I don't know what to do. I just felt like getting a recording out there, you know? I want to get some premieres out here, you know? I want to be pumping stuff out like Mr. Teddy. Mr. Teddy, you can't be the only one to pump stuff out. I also pump stuff out. Also, his premiere called Sus. I don't know why I called it Sus. It wasn't even Among Us. Wow. Oh, Mr. Teddy, good job. I know you're watching this, because I know how you watch my videos, and I watch yours too. But, you know, no, that is a horrible name, and I despise you for saying it, and you can yell at me all you want in the Discord call tomorrow. Oh, God, no. No, I'm sorry, I forgot to mute that. We don't like music that is, ooh, hey, that woman has a gun. But anyways, okay, and she shot somebody with it. Hey, and I don't like the way you look at me. Can you go away? Oh, hey. Oh, that's really creepy. But, what I was gonna say is, yeah, Mr. Teddy, you can yell at me all you want tomorrow or whatever on the Discord. But I'm correct. Sus is a horrible name. Oh, it is you. Oh, you're literally capping. Oh, no, you're not. So you're not the murderer. Let's go, my bubby boy. Bubby boy. It's that woman, isn't it? Oh, no. Wait, what? Oh my god, that was impressive. Hey, level 330. You know what I mean, boys? You know what I mean? I am a streamer. Eggplant. Wow. Why do people... This isn't even Easter. It's not even April. Nicholas, please. Fine, call him Nicholas, people. I call him Nicholas, so too bad. But this is not even Easter. My god. Hey, you want to see something funny? Wait, I'm going to just turn off my camera real quick so you don't, like, see anything you're not supposed to, okay? It's just dark screen for a second, you know, buddy boy? So, point of view, you are Bowser Mario. What the heck? Okay, 1 second from every Game Team episode update. I'm gonna watch that later. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this. So there's a problem. I'm innocent, so it doesn't matter, but there's a huge problem here. So I saw this dude, and you might even be watching my video if you clicked on my channel, because I already said it's fake Bubba. That literal Bubba, that's your name. Oh, look at Twitter user. But the thing is, stage fake media can be entertaining, but let's all be
clear here. Dream Pro Clutch was faked and not done legit. Not sure the exact circumstances, but it is indeed has been edited in some way. Let's be clear, you can enjoy this stuff, but understand that it's not legit.
People in Twitter, I'm saying, die. That's what I'm gonna say. Haha, die. Just go to my Roblox account if you want to look at my profile for Twitter. I don't really... Look, it's not even that important. I want to see what people said, but look, I don't use Twitter much, Bubba. I am not a Twitter guy. Let me just... No, I'm not following this guy. I just died. I'm not following this guy, that's for sure. Like, what do you think I'm gonna... Okay, let me just turn my camera on for a second. Hey, look at this. Look at this. What the heck? Oh. See, like, ooh, this is so... Here's a problem. Let's watch this. I can't full screen this. Let me just... I want to see people's replies on this. Wow. A lot of people are... Yeah, it is real. You could... Yeah, yep. Can I stop bashing on that dude?
I apologize against coming with any counter evidence because of the amount of comments. Pretty sure the hot bar should always be fixed in the stupid hot bar of the stupid poop.
Like, look at this. I don't even care anymore. Let's slow this down. Look, Bubba, you're completely wrong. And there was this stupid, you stupid man. You may have more subs than me, but you're ridiculous. How do I change the speed on? Oh yeah, there. Look at this. Just full screen this. We'll get back to the gameplay in a second, don't worry. Look at this. So this is what they think. But this has actually been tampered with. Want evidence? Well, then look no further. I'm just going to turn my camera off because I don't know what happens. You know, in life, you know when you don't know what happens? So, okay. Where is it? Here, let me show you. Okay. I also commented about this in this asshole's video. Because I'm not even going to say it. Just don't be it. Thanks, PlayStation. Let's just look at what. Yeah. Thanks.
PlayStation.
No PlayStation. Look. Okay. Look at this. Ready? So he gets the iron, and then Sappy Boy is gonna start powering up. Wait, whose name is Sapnap? Sorry, Sapnap, but your name kind of is silly, and I know Dream made it, but it's still silly. Let me just check. Oh, I'm the sheriff. Wait, let's just play this real quick. Let's kill the murderer. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna be a corner camper. Who wants to die? Hey. Oh. Well, hey, now I can explain this more. Like, look at this. Ready? So Sapnap's towering up. He's getting ready to leave. And thanks to my friend Devapub, like, you know, he doesn't like his voice on video, so I'm not going to do that. But he's also, like, he's really clever. He has big brains. Not just a big brain, but big brains. Yep, so here he comes. You see that? Now. Look. See? Pretty normal. See, he just crafts it. He just crafts it. It's that easy, and then he continues. He did not tamper with it. Let me just, oh look, you can even do this, look. Yeah, I just need to find the right point. Maybe I can't, but I can pause it at a certain place. Okay. Okay, ready? Look. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. He crafts it. That easy. See, it was tampered with. It was literally tampered with. So don't play dumb and go after Dream for no reason. It's not his fault. I know I said die, and that was very immature of me, but I don't care. Like, in his unedited, it's not. It's literally not. It's literally not. He literally just posted the same video like 3 times. Twice, actually. Which is ridiculous. A macro. It wasn't a macro. Stop going after this dude. Anyways, it's enough of rant, but just stop going after Dream. It's not his fault. You need to stop. Oh my god. What did I think of that? You know. But yeah, just don't go after him. It's that easy. Because he's not really a cheater. If he was a cheater, then he would, like, to be honest, a lot of the time, this isn't always the case, but you can kind of tell if somebody's a cheater or not could you stop? Is if they brag about it. Like, if somebody's like, if it kind of looks like they're cheating and they're like,
I did an epic boat clutch, epic.
and then they're just like, haha, loser. They probably cheated or something. Because, let's face it, people who are good aren't toxic. Usually. And I am not good. Because I am toxic. Haha, just kidding. Okay, well, I don't want to play this right now. Let's play something. How long has this recording been going? About 12 minutes? Okay, I'll probably put this for like 8 more minutes. So, yeah. That's all I really gotta say about that. But let's continue with this useless video. See, please make me have content. I want to know what content I should do. How about this? We do Among Us. Among Us. It's Among Us time. Are you ready? Among Us, Among Us. Among Us, load, Among Us, load, Among Us, load. Whoa. Maybe this should have an ear rate volume. Oh, woo. Okay, I'm really weird. Literally, just don't. It doesn't matter. I'm weird. Okay, let's play Among Us. Boop, Among Us. Am I right? Okay, guys. No. This one's good. Question mark? No, no question mark. My little puppy child is very angry at you. I used to be called I am a die, but I am no longer a die because I don't seem to be dying as much. Maybe I'll jinx myself. But JS, JS, JS. Yeah, Labrador was chasing me. I cannot believe this. Hey, stupid man. Whatever. No. I love confusing this guy. Where was I? Laptop, acid, this, what the? That's something about English. Acid Piss was chasing Labrador. Totally. Acid Piss was definitely chasing Labrador, guys. It's so sus. Labrador's so sus. Lies. Yeah, literal scalp lies. Bear. Literal bear. It was bear. Look, it's a green bear. That's sus. I like because I am brown, but I don't care. You have to be a green bear. What? Star. Accusation. Bear didn't report the body. Clean the people. Okay, this is good. Okay, oh. Start! Start! I guess that's accurate. Okay, let's go. Start. I'm losing my mind being here. Yes, 10 here. Start, you fool! Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Oh my god, immediately. You guys ready? I'm gonna cook up some hamburger. What are my fake tasks? Oh, no hamburger. That sucks. Wow, look, it's the viewing deck. So sus. The viewing deck is sus. Hi. I'm not gonna kill you in public because I'm dumb. I'm just running around the airship doing my tasks. Doing nothing but eating grass. Eating grass. Eating grass. Yeah. I'm eating grass. Eating grass. Eating grass. I'm eating grass. Eating grass. I am eating grass. Eating grass. I'm eating. Hey, maybe I'll kill you. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Oh, maybe you die. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hi there. My Bubba. He's literally Bubba. Look, I'm doing the safe. Even though this isn't my thing. What's the point of having even fake tasks list? Probably just to give you an idea where to go. If nobody is clueless on what to do, you know? But if somebody's supposed to, you know. But like, still. Sorry, sometimes my vocab gets a bit mixed up. It's not my fault. Now look at these guns. What if I just shot somebody with them? Wow, America, so nice. Let me just check these. Oh look, yellow. I forgot what admin even does. Okay, let's win. Oh, no. I don't want to be caught. I am the sus imposter. God damn it. Where? Oh, Yo left. What kind of name is Yo? Oh, Ponyo. This was cut out. Why is this stuff cut out? Showers. Have to vote yet? If not, skip. I am in kitchen. I'm going to the left viewing deck to upload. The thing is, you have to pick a place to spawn. So you might not spawn. I'm in the viewing deck because you never spawn location. It would have you just spawned in the viewing deck. It looks like we have to vote. We have to vote. Bear. I am voting Bear for being sus. Wow. We're gonna win. Now we just need to kill 2 more people. Coconut Mall. I give up. I'm done. I am so done. Sorry. Okay, bye. Boop. Anyways, well, I'm not bye yet. Well, that was another episode of Lab Does Random Stuff, because instead of ideas, just give me stupid content. Tell me what to upload, unless it sucks. I will probably upload it because I'm desperate, totally. Anyways, yeah, so yep, that was another episode of Lab Wasting Your Time, and yeah, have a good day / night wherever you live. It's 9:42 p.m. here. I'm gonna go to bed for online school tomorrow. Yeah, I have online school on Friday at least. But no, I mean, my life isn't important to you, and your life isn't important to me. Like, please don't unsubscribe. Okay, I'm just gonna end this now. Bye.